everybody, and good morning. I am Molly, and today we are back at New Smyrna Beach again. So this is our favorite local beach here. There is driving on the beach. We just parked. These are the driving lanes. There is the ocean. We're gonna set up our tent, blow up some rafts, and start having some fun today. So, oh, and stick around after the beach because we're gonna stop and do a little bit of shopping at the local beach shop on the way out. So, you know me, I love to do some shopping, so love to tour the beach store and see what else they got around there. So, all right, let's go feel the water. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, it's always got that slight chill when you first feel it. The sun is over there over the ocean. Woo, what do you think?
That is cold.
Little chilly at the first feel?
Cold today.
What do you think? Little chilly on the first feel?
Yeah. I found my color.
Woo!
The water feels so good today. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice and nice.
Feels nice?
Yeah, it's really good.
Hey.
It's nice and
Woo! I'm adjusting. It takes a little time. All right, so it is currently 8:50. We at least got here near that 8:30 time that we're always shooting for. We are not the best at morning people. And it's already up to 81 degrees, so it is going to be a nice toasty day. We got here early before the beach started to fill in with too many people. It is a Friday, and we don't have too many Fridays left of summer around here, so we're going to get in as many beach days as we can. Woo! All right, Dad's getting the tent set up. Let's go play. Oh, it doesn't go with you.
yeah, it's a terrible song.
Terrible sock.
Cool after you take
Quite
it
the
out.
experiment, though.
Yeah.
All right, Patrick's back here making art. All right, Patrick's got a giant octopus.
We got an octopus waving high.
Wow. Okay, and it's almost raft time. We got the tent. Gotta have that tent for this extra shade.
Big waves today.
Yeah, the waves are rocking out there today. Logan, working hard on your castle.
Yeah, I'm still working on it, but it's a big castle. The volcano is the base of the big mountain. Then I put down
Forky and
this
girl Forky live here.
on top of this temple.
All right, here he comes. We
Okay.
have two blown up rafts. Little Sandy. All right, so I believe we have the tide up as we were getting here, and it should be moving further out. But these waves are a little choppy today. I noticed as we drove in, I saw the red flag. Oh my God, waving. I'm getting slapped by these waves right now. So the red flag was flying, which does mean to be cautious because there can be a strong undertow with the choppy waves going on and everything. So I do always have to mention that New Smyrna Beach here is the shark bite capital of the world because we have so many bull sharks that pass through this area and because of the way the fish and their feeding zone. So they're typically just little incidental minor bites because they are mistaking the people as food, but we do stay shallow and we are always aware. I've only in my entire life seen one shark swim by me, and that was like in the past year or so. I was out here doing a video and it swam right by me. I was like, wow, okay. So I was not filming it, but I was filming that day, but not when it swam by. So they are here. We keep our eyes open. The fact that you cannot see in the water does make it a little more nerve-wracking because you cannot see if there is a shark right next to you until you see the fin. All right, I gotta go get my hat. It's too sunny. All right, I got the New Smyrna Beach sun hat out. We are nearing 10 o'clock and we're hitting 84 degrees, and the water, we are getting acclimated. It doesn't quite feel chilly at all anymore, but man, you start feeling the heat collect on your shoulders. You gotta get some of this cool water and cool off if you're not getting wet enough. The kids are getting wet enough. They love these rafts. All right, it's the double raft. We got a raft, we got drinks and cup holders. Patrick is chillaxing, aren't you? Definitely can tell the beach starts to fill in as you start hitting this hour. A little bit of shade and watch my boys. Alright, what are you gonna do? Hey, Forky's got his big Magic Kingdom castle and now it's raining on them, okay?
Lava from the eruption earlier.
Lava!
And then it falls out the sky with it.
Destruction! Alright, we are here at Alvin's Island in New Smyrna Beach. Super cool, awesome, giant beach store. So let's go in and explore everything that they have to offer. The giant shop, huh? Ooh, I like all these bucket hats. They got some new ones, huh? Ooh, and of course the giant straw hats. Need lots of good protection from all the sun. And they have sunglasses and lotions. Oh, look at these. They've got some of these cool squishable cups so you don't break them. As well as the shot glasses too. Lots of sunglasses, huh? Florida keychains. Oh, those are super cute. I like the different Floridas here. Of course, lots of shot glasses. Oh, and here's the big cups.
Flamingo.
These are like what we saw at St. Augustine when you liked those cool cups. Oh, they're rubber. $17 rubber. Neat though. Oh, and then you've got a little fake sand dollar, but some sand in a bucket. Lots of shot glasses. Okay, let's come this way. Oh, I see magnets and cups. Lots of cups. Lots of cool cups and magnets.
It has a sunset with New Smyrna Beach and then some sand attached to it.
Sunset, and you get real sand.
You could even do pink or blue sand.
Here's more with sand on them too. New Smyrna Beach. And then we got lots of picture frames. So once you get a cute picture at the beach, put it in a cute souvenir. Oh, look at all the bags. I love these ones with the flamingos right here. So many cute tote bags and ooh, little plastic ones that dip too. Ooh, and then down here we got candles. Tropical scents, I bet. Oh, that smells good. I love my beagle. Oh, Toby, we love Toby.
Oh, I should get it.
Ooh, and they got some pretty jewelry here. Ooh, with a shark tooth. Real shark tooth jewelry. Oh, there's some initials. Magnets. You want to see if they have a Logan this time?
Okay.
I got a Molly on my birthday. Oh, here's the L's. One Logan left. Look at all these things. Little turtles made out of rocks and they're surfing. Surfing turtle. $20. Made out of shells. Oh, here's a bunch more turtles. All made out of shells. And then more glass stuff. This is cute. Little vehicle.
Rubber cups.
We saw them. Yes.
Very cool, huh?
Super cool. And this guy's real big. Whoa. Super cool. I like all these turtles and guys made out of shells and rocks. Look at all these turtles everywhere and cool little sand bottle things. Oh, here's a magnet with the Florida. With flamingos. I like the flamingo one, that's cute. Oh, and little snow globes. I always like snow globes. Whoa, it looks like a bottle cap, but it's a super shiny picture. The dolphins, that's really cute. I like the dolphins. And big metal cups, stuff to get your drinks to the beach. Ooh, I like those pink. 20 bucks. New Smyrna Beach. Nice. Okay, we got a toy section.
And someone.
Let's keep going, all the kid toys. Ooh, I like these. I remember always seeing these like shell wind chimes. Super cute. And they have some nice beach ornaments. Supposed to like collecting little ornaments for our tree. Oh, here's cute. New Smyrna Beach, Florida. The palm trees. These little signs are nice too. Beach people, home sweet home. This is my happy place.
You're happy.
Beach people, take me home to my happy place where mermaids are welcome. Alright, oh, we get to the boogie board section. Whole wall, boogie boards, flip flops. Ooh, some pink sandals, water shoes. Under Armours and flip flops. Oh my goodness, Beanie Baby flip flops. I have never seen such a crazy thing.
Weird.
Then we got plenty of floaties in the back corner and wow, goggles and mess. Lots of goggles, huh? Okay, they got a million beach towels spread down the whole wall here. Let's go look at some of the clothes. Ooh, flamingo outfit.
Great, there's a rainbow one if you look straight.
Oh, rainbow towel straight ahead. Some more hats.
The rainbow one has a place.
Hey, it's a different rainbow bucket hat. Kind of like your hat mixed with my hat. Okay, we got lots of t-shirts. So many t-shirts. All the cute beaches. So many shirts to pick from and cool hats. Cute pattern. Okay, now we got to the kids size. Alright, now we're down to the shorts. Ooh, here's the swimsuit section down at the end here. Ooh, there's the shorts. It is the swimsuit wall. In case you get here and still are in need of a swimsuit. Oh, I see postcards too. And more jewelries. Always nice to find some little... Yeah, it's got a little elephant in it. Seashells. Beaded necklaces. Here are some cute little beachy necklaces. Oh, there's a cute pink one that's smooth.
They're made of actual seashells.
Yes.
Oh, they're blue and pink.
Oops. There's some little stickers down here too. Okay, and here are the bigger. NSB, New Smyrna Beach. Favorite flower. Love the manatees. Look how cute this is. Greetings from Florida, the Sunshine State. Oh, I love it. With everything in all of the Florida. Okay, and like here's the beach. Hey, it's Mama Mermaid.
Over here. And it's two, the mom and the baby.
Alright, you can't go by New Smyrna without getting your ice cream. Okay, here's the menu.
I'm gonna spend all my money.
Alright, wow, I got the waffle bowl with the chocolate dipped vanilla. My favorite. Oh, that bowl looks good.
It's really good. It's not a perfect SpongeBob popsicle, but it's got a hole in his face.
SpongeBob Pop! Mmm. Always good.